No restriction on isolation valves for the system. Corrosion on the unsanitary or unprocessed or filtered water. And this is the filtered water. You can tell the difference. Halo systems are the way to go if you want soft water. Easy setup. Location is key. Where do you want it? We place it there. We get it done for you. Halo system incoming water coming in here. Goes through the 5-stage process, and there's an ion at the bottom, which these scales the water and increase the water from coming in to the house. It goes out to a hose bib here, and then a shut-off valve, just in case you want to maintenance it later on the line or there's a leak. We could just shut this off and